This is a 50 caliber pistol. What's it called?
Desert Eagle.
It's called a Desert Eagle 50 caliber. This is an incredible gun, and the round it fires, it will stop anything. Is that correct?
More or less, yes, absolutely.
And I'm going to fire this, and I just can't wait. Unbelievable. Boy's dream. Now, if you can keep filming, the lady's just going to load the pistol before we start firing. We haven't put it by my head because, in case of any accidents, a 50 caliber round, the percussion of it going off by my head is going to take my head off.